So students, next topic is how nervous system are classified. Nervous system is classified into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. And central nervous system is divided into brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, it arises from central nervous system. Okay. And is divided into cranial and spinal. Cranial nerves, so cranial nerves arise from brain. It arises from brain. And spinal, it arises from spinal cord. Write it by arises from spinal cord. Okay. Further division, afferent, afferent and efferent. Afferent from sensory organ to where? CNS. Afferent सेंसरी ऑर्गन. ए याद रखना, ए पहले सेंसरी ऑर्गन हम लोगों को दिखता है ना. इफ्रेंट जस्ट अपोजिट. CNS to sensory organ. And next is mixed. Okay. Further division is somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. So somatic nervous system, it control voluntary action. Control example is voluntary action, that is skeletal muscles. And autonomic nervous system, control involuntary muscles. Control okay, and it is further divided into sympathetic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, it works under stress condition. Okay, works under stress condition. And parasympathetic, para, so it works under normal condition. Works under normal condition, and they both work against each other. Work against each other. So this is how the nervous system is classified. So first we will start with central nervous system, that is brain. Okay. First I will start with brain. So brain, scientific name is encephalon. So okay, and where it is located? Brain, it is located where? In cranial cavity. In cranial cavity, and it is around 1200 to 1400 grams. The weight is 1200 to 1400 grams, and there are about 100 billion neurons. 100 billion neurons होते हैं, and they are divided into, brain is divided into 3 parts, that is procephalon, that is for brain. We'll discuss each part. Next is mesencephalon. That is M for mid brain. And last one is rhombencephalon. That is hind brain. So midbrain is not visible since it is covered by cerebrum. We'll go through the diagram. Let me explain this first. It is divided into olfactory lobes. This is, next is cerebrum, the part which we see in the diagram, mainly cerebrum. It is the maximum part. Then is diencephalon. It is midbrain is divided into 2. First is optic lobes. Cerebral peduncles, and rhombocephalon, this hind brain, is divided again into 3. Cerebellum. Second is pons veroi, and third is medulla oblongata. So this is the classification of brain. Students, just take a screenshot. Students, we have discussed the classification of neuron, nervous system, brain. Now we will study forebrain. Inside this we'll study olfactory lobe, cerebrum, then we will study midbrain, then we will study hindbrain. Okay, we'll continue in next class.